Ever been frustrated by photo file size restrictions? Well, today, we're tackling those bulky image files in Adobe Photoshop so you can share your photos without any issues. Let's open our high-resolution image in Photoshop. You'll see how a detailed image can easily exceed size limitations. For this example, we're aiming for under 2 megabytes, a common requirement for websites or online platforms. First, let's check our current file size by looking at the bottom left of the application. We'll start by adjusting the image size. Go to the image menu to top, then select image size here. You can tweak the dimensions of the photo in width and height. Reducing the dimensions will shrink the file size. Keep an eye on the document size preview. Smaller dimensions mean a smaller file size, but be careful not to reduce it so tiny that your pictures lose quality. Now, let's look at our saving options. Go to File and choose Save As. In the Save As window, you have several formats, but for most online uses, JPEG is your best friend. Select JPEG from the Format menu. Once you save as a JPEG, look at the options that pop up. In specific, focus on the quality setting. The higher the quality, the larger the file size. Drag the quality slider cautiously. As you move the slider, you'll see a preview of the file size updated. As a balancing act, you want the lowest file size, but you also need to make the picture look great. Another powerful method is to use the export features. Go to the File menu and select Export, then choose Export As. The Export As window gives you more control. You can select JPEG, and the quality slider is also there for adjustments. But within this window, there are additional options to control things like image scaling to automatically adjust sizes and fit dimensions. As you adjust the quality, you'll see the estimated file size update in real time. Find the sweet spot, the lowest file size, without compromising visual quality. Congratulations, you've successfully optimized your image by experimenting with dimensions, JPEG quality, and utilizing the Export As feature. You've now got a smaller file size while maintaining the visual integrity of your photo. Now you're ready to share those high-quality visuals online with ease. No more file size frustrations.